Hello, I'm Dave, the museum technician here at Glanmore Nation Historic Site, and today I'm in the collections area taking a look at some domestic items from our regional collection. Here in front of me I have a series of darning eggs. I find these to be quite interesting, as they were super common historically. They're not unheard of nowadays, but mostly people treat socks now as disposable items. But if you think of your stockings or socks as being hand knit or handmade one way or another, it makes sense to invest some effort in maintaining them. So these are designed so that you can slide the darning egg into the heel or the toe of your sock, wherever you've worn a little thin or poked a hole through, and that'll give you a form to do your darning, to needle weave essentially a patch into your stocking. I find these beautiful and very, very functional objects. They've been turned on a lathe. There's been care taken to give some gentle, graceful curves on some of the handles, and they're just interesting, functional objects that also have some beauty to them. Now, I'm not much of a wood turner, but I do have access to a lathe, so I'm going to try to reproduce this classic style of darning egg right here, and if you're interested in watching that happen and it in use, click the video link up there. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you at Glanmore again soon. Cheers. Now, mending and fixing clothes is not something that people do a lot of nowadays. Oftentimes people treat clothes as disposable, but historically that one does not want to stay still. Wow, okay.